the biggest it could ever be today. And I can't wait to use my GoPro to take more underwater photos of coral and fish.
Thank you. Siwan.
I love how they said there's a link so we can draw, write, and photograph everything that we see around nature. Because today I'm just going to see the link and draw something.
Of the presentation.
It was amazing. I learned so many new things. All of the cold stuff just got shoved into my brain. Can't wait to go back my house and go to Seesaw with my mom and get hooked onto the link and start creating.
The presentation was wonderful, and before I just threw a little bit of coral reef, but now the coral reef quiz made me think a lot. Really enjoyed how you showed us how to be more into nature and express our feelings through nature. And when I heard that, my brain almost exploded with ideas. It was too big; it couldn't fit everything. And now the coral reef is only in my brain. That's all the cool in my brain.